learning Python in CloudQuant was relatively easy. I used to do most of my financial modeling and most of my analysis in Excel, and translating from Excel to Python and doing backtests in CloudQuant and in Python was really easy.
As someone who has some programming background, but I actually did not know Python at all before I started using CloudQuant, I think I get up to speed pretty quickly by utilizing a lot of information or documentation on the CloudQuant website and also other online resources.
Well, I was lucky. Before I started working with CloudQuant, I knew a little Python, and in fact, I had written a backtesting engine in Python myself. And so, as I started using CloudQuant, I realized, well, this is very similar to something that I had been working with, and it made very intuitive sense to me.
My experience learning Python in CloudQuant is still ongoing. I've been learning for about 1.5 years now. It's been mostly trial and error, copying scripts that actually worked and actually tweaking them to do things I want, but I'm on a steep part of the learning curve, and I'd say using CloudQuant has been a great tool for me to learn Python.
If you know Excel, you can do really well in Python. So it really gives you a lot of confidence. I think that's true.